Hello everyone, welcome to CUE T Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the original Swadesh Darshan scheme was revamped and given what new name? A. Swadesh Darshan 2.0, B. Swadesh Darshan plus, C. India Tourism Circuit, D. Bharat Darshan scheme. The correct answer is option A. Swadesh Darshan 2.0. Swadesh Darshan scheme, which was launched in 2014-15, was revamped and is now known as Swadesh Darshan 2.0 SD 2.0. Next question is, on what date is World Tribal Day observed annually? A. August 8th, B. August 9th, C. August 10th, D. August 15th. The correct answer is option August 9th. World Tribal Day, also known as the International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples, is celebrated every year on August 9 to raise awareness about the rights of the world's indigenous population. Next question is, National Waterway 57, which was recently operationalized to boost inland water transport, is located on which river? A. Brahmaputra, B. Barak, C. Dhansiri, D. Kopili. The correct answer is option Kopili. The Kopili River in Assam has been operationalized as National Waterway 57, marking a significant step in the development of inland water transport. Next question is, what is the full form of the PEHL scheme, which is the popular name for the DBTL program? A. Pratyaksh Hastantarit Labh, B. Pradhan Mantri Hastantarit Labh, C. Pratyaksh Anudan Yojana, D. Pradhan Mantri Anudan Hastantarit. The correct answer is option A. Pratyaksh Hastantarit Labh. PEHL is the acronym for Pratyaksh Hastantarit Labh, which translates to Directly Transferred Benefit, reflecting the scheme's core function of providing subsidies directly to beneficiaries. Next question is, the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces (INF) treaty was signed between which two nations in 1987? A. Russia and China, B. United States and the Soviet Union, C. United States and China, D. Russia and the United Kingdom. The correct answer is option B. United States and the Soviet Union. The INF treaty was a landmark arms control agreement signed by the United States and the Soviet Union in 1987 to reduce nuclear threats. Next question is, which country has the US designated as the highest tariffed country along with Brazil? A. China, B. Mexico, C. India, D. Vietnam. The correct answer is option C. India. The US has raised additional tariffs on India, citing its purchase of Russian oil, which makes India, along with Brazil, the highest tariffed country by the US. Next question is, Sarnath is a major Buddhist pilgrimage site where Gautam Buddha delivered which of the following? A. His final discourse, B. His enlightenment, C. His first sermon, D. His birth. The correct answer is option C. His first sermon. Sarnath is a major Buddhist pilgrimage site where Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon, Dhammacakkappavattana, after enlightenment. Next question is, recently, researchers recorded a new species of snake from which state? A. Assam, B. Nagaland, C. Mizoram, D. Meghalaya. The correct answer is option Mizoram. The new species of rain snake was recorded from an elevated tropical forest in Mizoram. Next question is, the technology developed by the Kerala Forest Research Institute, KFRI, is aimed at controlling which specific pest? A. Teak root borer, B. Teak defoliator moth, C. Sandalwood spike disease, D. Borer beetles. The correct answer is option B. Teak defoliator moth. The technology can transform the way teak plantations are protected from their most notorious pest, the teak defoliator moth, Hyblia puera. Last question is, what is the name of the scheme launched by the Chief Minister of Assam to provide monthly financial assistance to girl students? A. Nijut Kanya Yojana. B. Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina 2.0. C. Himant Biswa Sarma Shiksha Yojana. D. Guwahati University Scholarship. The correct answer is option B. Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina 2.0. Assam Chief Minister launched the Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina 2.0 scheme in Guwahati. Now it's time for practice question. What has been identified as the cause of the sea star wasting disease epidemic? A. A specific type of densovirus. B. A previously unknown marine fungus. C. Bacteria Vibrio pectinicida. D. Increased ocean temperatures. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.